Let's fill out the Oregon Dog Bill of Sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a dog in this state, here are the key things you need to know. First, the seller is required to provide certain information about the dog, in writing, to the person making the offer. So before any sale is finalized, that written disclosure needs to happen. Now, if a buyer discovers their new dog has an illness or congenital disorder, they have up to 15 days after the purchase to take action. Within that window, the buyer can request a full refund of the purchase price. Or, if both the buyer and the pet dealer agree, the buyer may choose to accept a replacement dog instead of a refund. There's also an option for veterinary care reimbursement. If the dog needed vet care related to a disease or congenital disorder, the pet dealer may be required to cover those costs. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.